Hello everyone, I'm Lily, I'm the Furniture Doctor, but if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. So this video is a follow-up with the results of my Facebook Marketplace experiment. For Cliff Notes, I found this Lane Cedar chest at the World's Longest Yard Sale back in August. I bought it for $30, I shipped it back to Texas, I stripped that terrible blonde finish. It wasn't terrible, but it's not for everybody. It's not for most people. And I added this gorgeous walnut stain, but I did do the controversial thing of adding gold legs. This is what it looked like before when I found it at the yard sale. And then this is what it looked like with the gold legs. Now, you all seem to love the new stain, as I did too, but the legs were a big no-no. And everyone was like, put on the original base, put back on the original legs, take off those gold legs, they're terrible, blah, blah, blah. And so I listened and I went back and I refinished the base, refinished the legs. I took off the gold legs and I put back on the base. And this is what it looked like with the original base, refinished. And then I let you guys know that I was going to do an experiment by listing both. So I staged both. I listed both on Facebook Marketplace for identical prices. The only thing that was really different was just the legs. And I really wanted to see what my local market would actually want. And so now it's been 3 weeks. It has sold for full price, $350. And these are the numbers. So 3-week numbers. Original base has had 466 clicks, 30 saves, and 3 messages. The gold legs have had 492 clicks, 33 saves, and 2 messages. And you're probably wondering, well, which one sold? The person that bought it ended up messaging the listing of the original base. However, she wants both the base and the gold legs. So I'm actually giving her both. So we really don't have a clear answer as to what would go the fastest. I mean, I guess the gold legs did get more clicks. But so now the new owner is going to have both the original legs and the gold legs that she can interchange out as she pleases. And so it can adapt to really any space or if she just wants to switch it up. So I was more than happy to do that and give that to her. But yeah, those are the results. So it's pretty 50-50. I mean, it literally is 50-50 down to the buyer, which is really crazy. I didn't think it would be this close, especially how everyone was like, oh my gosh, take off those gold legs when I initially posted the video. And then when I let you guys all know that I was doing this experiment, everyone was like, no, I actually liked the gold legs. So it's crazy how it seemed one way, then the other way, but it really did turn out to be 50-50. This is your sign to do some A and B testing on your local Facebook Marketplace. I mean, if you have a dresser that isn't selling or a piece of furniture, try different staging. Post both, but stage it one way and then stage it another. If it's a dresser, maybe interchange the knobs on one listing and then another listing, put a different pair of knobs or pulls and just see what your local market actually prefers. And you'll probably be able to, cater to a larger group of people. So it was a really interesting experiment. I do want to keep doing this a little bit more because it was very interesting. And I don't know, let me know if you're pretty puzzled by the results or if you kind of expected it, and let me know what you prefer. So just to recap, it did sell, $350 full price. The new buyer did not try to negotiate. She messaged the listing with the original legs and ended up taking both the gold legs and the original base. So she ended up getting both, but for full price. And yeah, it's in a lovely new home. So let me know what you think. Did you expect this? Because I sure didn't.